Okay, hey everybody. This is some homework help for Module 2, Lesson 10 homework. So you see eight partial product forms of multiplication expressions with decimals lined up down the left side. They're vertically down the left side, and then you see eight, you know, questions that they could have originated from. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight questions that they could have originated from lined up down the right side. Now, all this is asking you to do. I already know somebody is just going to start doing the math on both sides. You don't have to do all that. All you have to do is draw a line from what on the left side matches up with where it goes on the right side. For each one, all you have to do is draw the line across to where it belongs and like that. Now this isn't going to be the actual answer pattern, but I'm just showing you this is how you do it. You just draw the line straight across for that first part. Then over to the right of the original multiplication problems, each one has a blank beside it where you're supposed to write in the answers, and the answers are going to come from the answer key that is in the box down below, which has 8 answers listed. You're going to take the answer and rewrite it on the blank where it belongs for all 8 of those questions. It's pretty simple to figure out. You could use a calculator, but I'm going to ask you guys not to cheat and use a calculator, but actually use your partial product multiplication. So the first thing you see on the left, that's actually what you're going to solve. So for example, the first one says 10 times 0 plus 0.7. So you're going to distribute your 10. 10 times 0 is 0. 10 times 0.7 is 7. You add those together and the answer is 7. And that would be your answer for, the 10 times 0.7. The second one, actually, I want to skip a few though. The first one, the second one, the third one, those are all really easy. A lot of these are all actually really easy ones. I'm looking for one that has a little bit of a challenge to it, and I don't see one. None of these actually have a challenge, so these should all be pretty easy to figure out. So down at the bottom, part 2, it wants you to use an array. So number 9, the question that you're given is 4 times 3.7. So to use an array for that, you're going to want to put your 4 on one side, your 3, and your 0.7. And here's your array that you're going to use to solve it. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 0.7 happens to be 2.8. You might need to do a longer form of multiplication if you don't do that one mentally, but it's no problem. And then you're going to add your 12 and your 2.8, and you get 14.8 for number 9. For number 10, you're still using arrays, so it's going to pretty much look the same thing. Same way, you're going to put your 4.3 like that. You're going to put your 3 on the side here. So 4 times 3, again, is 12. 3 times 0.3 is 0.9. You're going to add those two together, and what you get is 12.9 as your solution for that problem. So this is a pretty easy homework assignment, and I hope you guys don't have any trouble with it, but if you do, here's your help video.